Well, thanks for beaming me down, Scotty. It's been a real trip traveling through cyberspace here on YouTube. But I just want to come back and add to the series of the teapot making process, because I know I kind of left you hanging on that last YouTube. And to start out with is really the end part of that last little YouTube. I'm going to show you how I take the measurement, two measurements on this teapot. So there's an interior measurement of that void and a second measurement in the extreme sides of that gallery area. So the first part is we're going to go ahead and make that lid. That was a lot of fun going to the nearest galaxy. You know, every once in a while though, you bring a little something back with you that you didn't really intend to. Okay, now this lid is made upside down. I get a pretty good idea of where I want to end up by just showing you where the extent of that caliper measurement is. Want a nice deep flange on this lid. So here's that interior measurement that I took. Right there. It's almost there. A little bit big. And that exterior from flange to flange is right here. And again, that's just a little big. And I can make that smaller just by pushing that in a little bit at this point. Start trimming it out right with my thumbnail. And use the side of my rib, the point of it, to carve underneath it. I'm still looking for a nice curved surface there. Got that, put that aside. The next step is to make the spout for the teapot. Use the same piece of clay. This is a little less than I'm throwing off the mound. Very shallow piece of clay. I'm only going down maybe a half of an inch for this spout. A little cylinder. Severe coloring. And again, using the point of my rib to carve the bottom area out a little bit. And we'll cut that up and put it aside. Now the last piece of clay that we need for the entire assembly is the handle for the teapot. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I pull the handle for the teapot. Nice size piece of clay I can hold on to. Use my whole hand and lots of water to pull this out. A farm girl once said it reminded her of milking a cow. We'll leave it at that. That's all for this series. I mean, we'll come back and finish this up tomorrow. Happy potting!